guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna do a little review on my Texas speed headers, man. I'm gonna give y'all some of the problems I'm having with them, man. You know, I picked up some good power with them. They're fairly cheap, but man, I got some gripes about them, and I'm probably gonna be taking them off for either some Cooks or American Racing headers. Yeah, guys. So stay tuned. And make sure you watch this whole video. Peace. Oh yeah, we can't do this video without a cold start, man. We got to go on cold start this bad boy. Yeah, you gotta get that little cold start, man. Yeah. Had to get that cold start in real quick, man. All right, we're gonna get this video started, man. Get it, man. We're gonna check out these headers. You know, they look fairly good, you know. Color on them started to turn a little gold, a little brown, but for the most part, the color on them fairly good, you know. Yeah, you got that good pro charge on there, man. Yeah. Shout out to LMR, man, for hooking your boy up with the cam also. But yeah, man, I don't know if y'all can see down off in there, but I mean, the headers look pretty good. Probably kind of hard to see, man. Kind of hard to see. I'm gonna have to put this thing on the lift. But yeah, like I said, yeah, man, the headers, you know, they look great. You know, they look great. But the fitment on them, man, is just not what's up, man. I can feel it vibrating up against the body of the car, the frame of the car all the time, man. And you know, with that, it can cause the car to pull timing, you know. And I definitely don't want that. I don't want knock sensor to think something's wrong with the car and pull time, especially when I'm doing a race, whether I'm on the street or at the track or anything like that. So that's my number one gripe, man. It just irritates me because it sounds bad. It sounds really bad, you know. You don't want to be inside the car and you hear a rattling or a knocking of your exhaust, man. It makes your car feel, you know, it makes it not feel like what it is, you know. So I definitely hate that. I'm gonna put some clips in here, and hopefully you guys can hear exactly what I'm talking about and get a gist of what I'm talking about. But yeah, man, the fitment just it's not great. You know, I seen a lot of guys on the forums talk about this. I mean, they recommend you take a crowbar or something, or just anything, and kind of beat up the header a little bit. But you know, I don't too much know about that, man. I don't know if that's gonna, you know, hurt the integrity of the headers, and you know, as time goes, you know, the headers might, you know, it might turn into a hole or something in the headers, man. You know, you never know. So I really don't want to do that. I don't want to have to try to bend them or anything. You know, I'd rather just get some more headers and have something that's gonna fit right, right off the bat. You know, so I've been talking to a few guys, and I talked to the guys at LMR, and they recommended Cooks or American Racing headers. So that's probably what I'm gonna go with. I'll probably be putting those on next week. I mean, not next week, next month. I don't know if I'm gonna do it myself at home, or I might just get the guys to do it, because I got a couple more mods I'm about to get put on this bad boy before Texas 2K and before the big showdown that my guy Demonology is having. That we definitely gonna try to make that event and go down and see if we can hurt some feelings and snatch some souls in Deadpool, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, for all you guys out there thinking about getting Texas speed headers, you know, for the price, it's a great price point. But like I said, you get what you pay for, man. The fitment on them is not that great at all, man. The rubbing and bumping up against the car is really irritating. You know, you get somebody in your car and you know, they feel that or they hear that and they've already been in a C7Zo or C6Z, whatever car you have, and they never heard this sound before because that person has American Racing headers or Cooks headers or some other brand that fits good, and they think something wrong with your car, and that's not what's up, man. It's kind of embarrassing. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna insert some clips in here, man, and you guys let me know down below if you can, you know what I'm saying, if you can tell what I'm talking about. If not, I'll make another video and try to get some better clips, get some views from under the car, let you guys see where it's rubbing at. And you know, yeah, we gonna get this thing right though. We gonna throw some more hitters on here. Like I said, we got some more mods coming. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. Shout out to my boy Gabriel Sweat. Go check out his channel. Shout out my boy Red Albino. Go check out his channel. My boy Snake Eater ZL1. Check out his channel. And Tarj Cam. Check out his channel. And also make sure you go check out. Oh, look at my boy pulling up right now. My boy pulling up right now, man. In the V. Gabriel Sweat in the V. Look at him, man. Oh, look like somebody. Oh, like somebody played with his car, man. Oh man, that's crazy. Yeah, look like somebody played with his car, man. Also, make sure you go check out my boy Street Car Films YouTube channel. He got some heat on that channel, man. He got all different type of cars, man. Everything you want to see, man. Go check out my boy Street Car Films, man. Go check him out. Give him a sub, give him a like, leave a comment, show some support, man. I'm about to holler at my boy Gabriel Sweat real quick, man. And I'm gonna insert those clips, and man, y'all guys let me know what y'all think about the sounds and what type of headers I should go with. Peace. I don't know if y'all guys can hear that rumbling, man. Turn this down. But I don't know if you guys can hear the rumbling, man. Those are the headers hitting up against the car. I just hate the way it sounds. I love the way they're pro-charging that cam sound though. But let me see if I can get it to do a little bit. You can hear it right then, you know. Sometimes when I put it in the gear, it kind of vibrates and the headers kind of hit up against the car, man. Let's see if we can. Man, this thing crazy, man. Kind of like when you take your car to the shop with a problem, man. Now act like it doesn't want to do it, man. Shit's crazy. Makes the most irritating sound ever. Now that I got the camera out, don't want to do nothing, man. Okay, you kind of hear it right there. You can hear the rumbling. Yeah, you can hear the rumbling, man. You know, I hate that sound, man. I hate it. I can't wait to get some new headers on here, man. Can't wait. Yeah, man, I can't wait to get some new headers on here, man. I hate that sound. You hear that, man? Oh, guys, hear that rumbling? Yeah, those are the headers rubbing up against the car, man. Man, I hate that sound, man. I hate it. But yeah, guys, yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, man. Hopefully we can get our new headers on sometime next month and get this issue resolved along with the other mods we getting done. We push for 1,200 horsepower wheel before Texas 2K, man. So we can go down and try to, you know, get a little work done, you know what I'm saying? Get a couple of gaps in. But man, we're gonna catch you guys on this video, man. Appreciate y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, share, and we out. Peace.